Good morning, students. Myself, Nikhil M. Changwali. Okay. I am handling your third semester basic thermodynamics subject. Okay. Subject code is 18ME33. I hope that all of you promoted from second sem to third sem, that is from first year to second year. Okay. Here, before that basic thermodynamics, okay, I think all of you know that that subject consists of 5 modules. Okay, this we'll study later one by one. Before that, you have to understood that what is the meaning of thermodynamics. Okay, you have to split that, you will understood that. Okay, therma, okay, hence dynamics. Therma means what? Heat. Dynamics means motion. Okay, know that heat means what? Heat is a form of energy. Okay, now we have to add that, you will understood that. Okay, means how to define thermodynamics means it is a form of energy. Okay, it transfer from one place to another. This is one place and this is another place. Here heat can transfer. How it will transfer, we have to see that. Okay, T1 means this is first side, T2 means second side, means T1 temperature, T2 temperature. Okay, you have to study one by one. Okay, for that, the best example is take that. This is metallic rod. Okay, assume that this is temperature T1, this is temperature T2. And to supply heat to this side. Okay, I want to heat this portion. Okay, this is Q amount of heat I want to supply here. What happened here? Here, due to supply of the heat, T1 temperature is more compared to T2. Okay, due to that, heat transfer from T1 to T2. Okay, now question arises, what happened? Temperature from T1 to T2, whether increase or decreases? Question arises. Here temperature of course this is decreases. Why? Because you have to supply heat to T1 side. Okay, due to this we call that is, this phenomena we call that is conduction. This heat transfer, generally this due to that conduction. Can't see. Okay, inside that n number of molecules are there. This first molecule is to second. First molecule lost the energy. Second molecule gains the energy. Okay, again this is similar way. Here heat move from T1 to T2. Okay, this is in general basic thermodynamics. Okay, I hope that is clear. What is thermodynamics? Just remember that therma means heat, dynamics means motion. Means our aim is heat motion. Means how heat motion? Transfer of heat from, this is, assume that this is one place, this is another place. Okay, transfer of heat from one place to another place. Okay, this we call that is thermodynamics. How it will happen? Consider this is the example. This is your rod and to supply heat to the T1 side. Okay, when you have to supply the heat to the T1 side, here temperature is more for this side, means while moving from T1 to T2, due to conduction, temperature reduces from T1 to T2. This is in general thermodynamics. Okay, here in general. Okay, now we have to discuss that. First, what is the module number 1? Okay, in module number 1, you have to study that fundamental concepts and definition Okay, what are the fundamental concepts here? Let's study that. What is that system, surrounding, boundary, what is internal energy, external energy, all things you have to study here. Okay. Also, here you have to study the zeroth law of thermodynamics. What is the zeroth law of thermodynamics? Also, you have to study here. Okay. Today only you have to give that just introduction part. Okay. This year also you have to solve n number of problems. This is module number 1. Okay. Next in module number 2, what you have to study that? Work and heat. Okay. You know that. All of you know that what is work and what is heat. I think you study in the PUC or in your school level. Here in work and heat we have to study that what are the mechanical definition of work and heat. Okay, here work done for various process, that is PV work done, isobaric, isothermal, constant pressure, constant volume. What is one constant pressure, constant volume? You have to study one by one here in this module. Okay, similar that simple numericals. This is in also here it consists of another bit. First law of thermodynamics. Okay, here in first law of thermodynamics, okay, standard experiment is there, Joule's experiment. Here we have to study Joule's experiment, the application here. Okay, this is the in general first law with simple problems. Next, that is module number 3. Once first law over means second one, third, that is second. Next is second law of thermodynamics. Okay, here we have to study that what is Kelvin-Planck's law. Okay, what is that PMM1, PMM2 means perpetual motion machine 1, 2, all things you have to study here. Okay, Kelvin's, Planck's law, Clausius law, all things we have to study here. Also here it consists of another unit, that is entropy. You have to study what is entropy, what is Clausius inequality, all things application, all things you have to study here. Okay, this is in general module number 3. Next, in module number 4, to study that pure substance. Okay, in pure substance here you have to use that water act as a triple point here. Here you have to study that TS and HS diagram, latent heat, dryness fraction, all things study with respect to steam table. I think all of you familiar with steam table in the first year on the EME subject. Okay. Next, that is in module number 5, we have to study that that is ideal gas and real gas mixture. That is gas mixture here. We have to study that Dalton's law, partial pressure, Van der Waals law. Okay, simple problems. Here we have to study one by one. Okay, this is what in general, this is basic thermodynamics. Okay, one note point here. For every week you have to take the your quiz. That quiz is calculated for your IMRs and all things, and compulsory all students can attend the online subject. Okay, will not enter, will not take any IA, means that is quiz. Will if you absent in the class, online class, will not conduct the student will not permit to attend the quiz. One student will not permit to attend the quiz means this is considered for your IA score. Okay, here for every day we have to take attendance also. Attendance means you have to give that in the comment, like that. Here we have to give that. Okay, I hope that is clear in general basic thermodynamics. Okay, just heat and therma means, just remember that thermodynamics. Okay, therma means heat, dynamics means motion. Okay, Here heat motion. How the heat is motion means heat movement. All of you know that heat is a form of energy. That heat, how it will move, we have to study here. Means heat move from one place to another. How it will move due to that conduction. Another is there conduction, convection, radiation. Here you have to give the example of conduction. Okay, this is in general. Okay, basic concept. Okay, or if you take another example, consider this is a water at high level. Okay, this is the nozzle. Okay, take this is the turbine, and this is generator. Okay, now water means initial rest, means we call that is water is having potential energy. P means potential energy. Once water enters and hits to nozzle, function of nozzle is it converts low velocity into high velocity. Output of the nozzle we got high velocity. Input is what? Low velocity water. That low velocity water enters into nozzle and that is converted into high velocity of the water. Means here you got the kinetic energy. Output of nozzle is kinetic energy. That high velocity water hits to your turbine. Turbine is power producing. Turbine consists of n number of blades. Once this water is to your turbine blades, your turbine should be rotates. Means here mechanical energy can be generated. That turbine is connected to the generator. Through this shaft, once turbine rotates, finally you got the electricity. Okay, through the generator. This also here heat is a form of, I told that heat is a form of energy and it moves from one place to another. Means it converts from one form to another. Here water energy is converted into electrical energy. This in general. I hope that this is clear. Okay.